Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Nissan Kicks. First, you'll need to locate your vehicle's battery, typically under the hood, and have a good set of jumper cables ready. It's crucial to make sure both your Nissan Kicks and the assisting vehicle are turned off and in park or neutral. Then, carefully position the assisting vehicle so the cables can easily reach both batteries, but ensure the vehicles do not touch each other. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red, positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Nissan Kicks dead battery. Next, connect the other red, positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Finally, attach one black, negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery on the assisting vehicle. This establishes the initial power flow. For the final connection, take the remaining black negative clamp and attach it to an unpainted metal surface on your Nissan Kicks, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Once connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this time, try starting your Nissan Kicks. Once your Nissan Kicks starts, it's time to disconnect the cables. Remember to remove them in the reverse order of how you connected them. First the negative from your Kicks, then the negative from the assisting vehicle, followed by the positive from the assisting vehicle, and finally the positive from your Kicks. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to help recharge the battery, and consider a professional inspection soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.